For this video, I'm going to take you on a walking tour of the historic district located in Jekyll Island, Georgia. I mean, what can I say about Jekyll Island, Georgia? It's absolutely beautiful if you've never been. For those that aren't familiar with it, Jekyll Island is a barrier island located off the coast of Georgia, just east of Brunswick. Today I'm exploring the historic Pier Road shops. There's a lot of beautiful resorts here. There's also quite a few boutique shops and restaurants. And you'll see that there's quite a few amenities too, like they've got the horse-drawn carriages and the historic caravan that you know, those little red cars that kind of drag you around the area just to show you all the sightseeing locations. I'll briefly talk about some of the highlights. They've got you know, the general stores and the gift shops. Those are the Cottage and the Commissary. If you're looking for homemade fudge and other specialty chocolates, the Island Sweet Shops is amazing. I actually bought some of the homemade fudge and it was absolutely delicious. There's also a gift shop on the Jekyll Wharf, which had lots of cool little trinkets and treasures. You'll also notice that they've got Dolphin tours, you know, the boat tours that launch from right near the wharf. Another attraction that's here at the Historic District is the Georgia Sea Turtle Center, but I don't recommend that one. That one is pretty underwhelming, and I did review that in a previous video. It's very small and, in my opinion, overpriced, so I would say skip that one and focus on the food and shopping here. If you're looking for something that's cheap, you can grab a sandwich at Doc's Snack Shop. That's what I stuck to. I just grabbed a hot dog. I was kind of broke at the end of my vacation. If you're in the mood for Irish food, the Wee Pub Beach is really good and nearby. The Wharf also serves some pretty amazing food, and that's in the Historic District near the gift shop. The food is great at the Pantry as well. That's a restaurant that's located inside the Jekyll Island Club Resort. They specialize in breakfast, and they've got some pretty amazing sandwiches like the smoked salmon BLT, pimento BLT, and I recommend the chicken salad. That was pretty delicious. Another thing that's great about this historic district is the trees. There's a lot of great shaded walkways. I know the weather was quite mild the day I went. I think it was about 78 degrees and shady, so it was real comfortable for walking around the area. And again, they do have the sightseeing red bus in the event that you can't walk around a lot, because there is quite a bit of walking if you decide to explore the whole district. But my bottom line is this is a really beautiful historic district. It's very picturesque. If you're here to do some sightseeing or go on to some of the smaller attractions and the nearby beach, if you like shopping for homemade candy or handmade goods, you'll find a lot of that in the stores that are located here. So if any of that sounds good to you, then I highly recommend checking out Jekyll Island. Thanks for watching this episode of The Adventure Shmup. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See everyone next week.